What we're gonna do today is the Bath Bomb Challenge! If you are a under 6-year-old, yeah, 6-year-old, make sure you bring a parent.
Tell your parents if you're 6 old.
Okay. Here you go. This is garbage. Thank you. All right, so come on, let's help it open up. Come on, open it up. All right. So this is the Bath Bomb Challenge. There you go.
And there's the key.
The key, I don't know for what. There's glitter right here.
And there's 2
Pink balls.
pink balls.
Open the dry ingredients.
And we're gonna
Okay. Ew, with your mouth?
yeah. How do you use with the scissors?
Oh, the scissors, thank you. Let's cut it with the scissors. Here. Yep. Be careful. And cut.
Oh, sorry.
Up here. There you go. Cut. One more. And that's it. Good job. So now we can rip it.
Awesome.
Your turn? Okay. Here, let me give it to her.
Can you hold the top of
So you
that?
want to hold it? Let me assist you because you're only 2. Cut. 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 And done. Thank you.
And let me put the top.
Put the top. Safety first. Okay. Now, the instructions saying add the dry ingredients. That means this ingredient and this ingredient. And we're going to pour 4 tablespoons of this one, 4 tablespoons of this one, and 2 tablespoons of this one. All right, here you go. So for the big ones, I hold, get the spoon, and here, dip it in here. All right, okay, hold it. I'll tell you when to pour it. All right, that's 1. Pour it in here.
I want to print it.
I know you are. 2. Wait, 3. Last one. And 4. So that's 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Now we're going to do 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So Chloe, here, hold it. Okay, pour it. 1. Good job. Okay, pour it. 2. Good job. Okay. Woo! Hey, hey, hey. I know it. I'll pick it up now. All right, perfect. Now we gotta do 10 tablespoons of Bath Bomb mix. So you're gonna do 5, and you're gonna do 5. Okay? Chloe, you go first, Chloe. Because Haley went first. All right. Then Haley goes next. All right. Hold it up. It's fair. Okay, 1.
It's so hard.
Wait, 2. Okay, good job. 3. Good job. 4. Okay, ready? Now it's 5 for you now. Go ahead. 1. There's a bunch of it. 1. 2. 3. 3. It's fine. We're up to 3. There you go. 3. I scoop. You pour. 3. It's white. 3. This is 4. And 1.
Whoa.
You see that? 1 more will be 5. And 5. Good job. Okay. So now the next instructions are, so we put this on the side. Oh, you put that in your hand? Okay, hold on guys, hold on. Leave it there. Not ready yet. Hold on. Yeah, getting me mad dirty. Alright, so now the next instructions is, we gotta finish recording. Alright, guys, so now the next step is 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. This is the coconut oil that the kit brought. This is a teaspoon. So now we're gonna put a teaspoon. Okay, hold this. Hold this. And I think. Perfect. Here you go. Put it inside. Push it with your finger. Or that. Whichever one. Oh, not this one. We only need 1 teaspoon, not the whole thing. Okay. This is blue raspberry. And this is strawberry. Show me your oil. Okay. So which one you guys want to use first? Cotton candy? Okay. So now we're going to put 30 drops. You have 30 drops. So you're going to squeeze it. I'm going to show you how to do it. Look. 1, 2, go ahead. 15. Look. 3. You're going to do 15 minutes. You do 15. So that'll be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Chloe, here you go. You're gonna squeeze it 15 times. Okay, baby. Squeeze it up here, mama. Okay, 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 and 15 is 30. Okay? Okay. We're gonna add a teaspoon, and as you're pouring the water, use your hand. You too, Chloe. So I'm gonna pour the water, right? And you're gonna use your hand. You hear me? This is distracting me. So I'm gonna pour the water, and you're gonna use your hands. Okay. So now the next step is to add half a tablespoon of water. Thank you. Now mix it with your hands. Mix it. Look, it's bubbly. Come and see, guys. You're gonna mix it with your hands. Try not to splash it. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Don't splash it. See? So it's supposed to be a little bit hard. Look. It's supposed to be looking like this. All right. So now the next step is we gotta add the colors. What color you guys want to use? Okay, pink. Pink for Haiti. How about you, Chloe? What color you want to use? Pink? I think this is gray. All right, so we're going to add gray and pink. There you go. Okay, Haley, you add your pink. There you go. Add your pink. Not yet. Wait for Chloe. Chloe, add your pink. Oh, your gray. I'm sorry. Now pour it in here. Go ahead. Your turn. Wow, this is a nice color. Look at this. Wow, so now we're gonna mix it.
I wanna mix it.
Sure, go ahead, guys. Go ahead, mix it together. Let's mix it together. We can let it get this. Oh, this is garbage. Go ahead, mix it. Oh, wow, perfect. Wow. Okay, so it's like a shiny, glittery pink. All right. So now the next step is put it inside. All right. The next step is. Which one you want to do? You want to do a pineapple, cupcake, or a donut?
I'm going to choose
a cupcake. You want to choose the pineapple, and I'll choose the. Now you guys take a big handful, a handful. Go ahead, a handful. Pour it there, or a handful. You don't sprinkle it. You gotta put now. Put it on the pineapple. Put it inside the pineapple. Now look, watch Daddy. Look, watch Daddy. How Daddy do it. Look, Chloe. Look, Haley. Now you press down, look, press down. Look guys, press down, there you go. Press down, Chloe. Press down, just like this. Good job, Chloe. Look at Chloe's.
Sorry.
Pineapple, press down, press down. Press down. Okay. Press down, 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 down. Good job, Mama. Let me see, Haley. Great job. That's really hard. Let me see. Oh my God, look at your cupcake. Look at her cupcake. And look at her pineapple. Look at each other's stuff. All right. So now that it's pressed firmly down, look, as you can see, you have to wait for 1 minute. How many minutes?
1 minute.
How many minutes? 1 minute.
3 days later.
We got a cupcake and a ball and a donut and a pineapple.
Yes, we did it. Give me 5. Give me 5. Now we're going to the bath. Now we're gonna put the bath bomb inside now. We're gonna put the cupcake. Here guys, put the cupcake. Put it in, yep. Oh my God. Let it go. Splash it. Woo! Oh. Where is it? There's nothing? Okay. Now we're gonna put Daddy's donut. Ah, look, I just broke the donut. Sorry, guys. Go ahead. Now, a bit. Woo! And I did this one on my spare time. Go ahead. It's not doing nothing? Yeah, it's supposed to look. Don't squeeze it. Thank you for watching. Now splash away. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Splash.